Hey, welcome to Horse Retirement Adventures! Woo. We are inside the Nichols, what would we call this? Mansion. And Chris is getting ready to put in a doggy door. Look at that. See how that is? Chris is getting ready to install that. Wow, this guy's took his whole door off. I don't know if we're going to do that. That's a lot. Okay, we're going to read the instructions, but Chris has put doggy doors in before because he's a doggy door person and a doggy door installer. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to do a little video on the doggy door. We're going to put it in this. We're going to turn this $500 door into a $100 door in just about 10 minutes, maybe longer.
Usually takes me 3 or 4 days.
Okay, more to come. Pull out. Yeah, I'm back already. We got some instructions right back here that Chris is going to try to follow.
Yes.
All right.
Measure and mark.
Measure and mark. We didn't bring a dog.
Oh.
See, there's a dog right there.
I know. He shouldn't be that close.
We don't have a dog. We're not going to be able to put the doggy door in. Okay, let's just pretend that this is the size of your dog.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Because their dogs are about that big, about that tall. Okay? Chris is going to measure and mark right there. Let me tell you, this is semi scary. Not really scary for me because this ain't my house.
Chris never does.
And my dog.
Okay.
Now you know that's a metal door. So
I got a drill and I got this thing and
we're going to tape that up. Let me go get my measurement device and my level device. Paul out. Okay. Chris has got the template laid out right there. He's got a dot in the center.
Actually, I want to draw all the way around it. I just don't have a pencil.
And a dot right there.
You got a pencil?
And he's asking for a pencil because he wasn't prepared at that time to do anything different.
I have a pen.
So what I'm going to do is see if I can find me a pencil because he's got an ink pen. I'm pretty sure in the bag of my tricks in here that I probably won't have a pencil. This is Paul's bag of tricks. My stuff.
This is pretty much just a suggestion.
And I don't have one of those things.
We're getting ready to cut a hole in it, so.
Do you want to use this tape?
Oh, hold this up?
Yeah, and then just cut around it.
Use your tape for what?
Just hold that in place, and then you can cut. Leave the template there.
Oh. Wow.
I don't know. Totally up to you.
How in the world am I supposed
You got the weakest little hands. You can tell that he was a school administrator.
Wow. Try to tear this thing. So you're saying just tape it right on up here. Just tape it.
I don't know
Tape it right
if you guys realize how hard that was to cut or to break, but there, I did it again, just in case.
Hey, if you get tired,
Yeah, I just
you need to
showing you how to cut that.
do it.
Okay, you get the idea. Paul breaks the tape, Chris puts it on. Okay, that's how we're gonna go. Paul out.
All right, I took the template, taped it up there, we checked it to make sure it was level, and then I went around it with a little pin so I know where to cut. But these templates come on here and they have like a small template, and a medium template, and a large template based on what size door you got.
My other bits. Hey, what Chris is doing now is he did the 4 corners, and he's getting larger drill bits so he can get that sawzall in there to cut that hole out. Okay, you see what he's doing there? Now he's getting the massive, big old drill bit. Woo! Now that is a wood door, which is really cool.
Now you got a hole in your door.
Got a hole in your door, and the dogs aren't going to fit through that. So what you got to do is make 4 holes because he's got 3 dogs and a cat. And
The cats don't like to use the same hole as the dogs.
No, the dogs can't use the cat. All right, that looks good. I mean, he is a doggy door expert. Look at that, man. Go doggy door installer. Go doggy door installer. Woo! All right, more to come on that. Go low. All right, what Chris is doing now is cutting the door out. He has cut all 4 corners. I don't know if you saw that, but he actually pushed that with his left hand all the way through. And now we got a hole. Lights coming in. And that's where the doggy door goes.
That's it.
Look at that. Look out. Now Chris is going to install this. And he needs 2 people. One person to hold it on the outside. Oh, wait a minute. First he's got to put that thing in.
Make sure it's all. Yeah, this is all going to be, and this outside cover covers all your
No way.
imperfections.
So here, this goes on the inside or outside? Okay. This is when Chris gets aggravated when I just hand him stuff.
Oh no!
But that's okay. He's pouting right now. Nope. Saw's. Oh, I thought he was going to cut me with a sawzall.
Let's unplug this.
We're unplugging that.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we're going to read more instructions.
I mean, this is French. I don't know.
Okay, let's go to English.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, let's try the English.
Cut out. Okay, we did all this. Cut. Now, adjust flaps if necessary.
Okay. Loosen screws. Okay. Pull up the flap.
It doesn't really say. Just says measure the thickness of your door. Cut the grooves out of your plastic.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put these groove things in here first, and this, and then we're gonna push it through and then measure it. Pull out. That's me. Pull out. Okay. We got the hole cut. Now we're doing the dividers that go between the doggy door and the outside. This is a very important part. We counted 5 lines, Chris did. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We cut on the 5th line for my door.
Yep. Now he's gonna slice that without slicing his finger.
It's got a groove in it.
It does.
So you can pretty much just
Steady hand.
stay in the groove.
Okay.
And then, don't think you have to cut all the way through it. You just cut that little slice in it.
Yeah.
And then you just break it. It just breaks off
Oh yeah. Okay.
like that.
Yeah. Y'all see that?
It's very important because if you try to cut all the way through that,
You're gonna.
you drive yourself crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be jagged. And then that fits in here, don't it?
Yep.
Show them how that goes. See those little grooves right there?
Yeah, goes right in these grooves. All right,
Just like that.
let's go do it, man.
Let's go do it. First off, before we do that, bring your razor here so we can get some chickens to eat.
Yeah.
Hey girls. These are their chickens, folks. Look at that. Look how big they are. Fat girls. Look at them. I mean, you know, look at it. Evidently they got mad because I said that. Chickens. You know what chickens do? They lay eggs. Pull up. All right, we're back. What we did is did exactly what we were supposed to do. We put that plastic thing in, like there. Put those 2 pieces together. I was on one side, Chris was on the other, and he screwed these screws in. And look at that, a doggy door. Now Chris is gonna have to come back and put some white caulking in here to get that a little bit better. And then he's got to get some more screws because this unit didn't come with but 2 screws. And then on the outside, it looks like that. He's gonna have to caulk that. And then he just takes something and he cuts these little nibs off right there. That's why you don't want to put the screw on this side, because then somebody can unscrew that from the outside. So you want the screw from the inside, your flap in there for your doggies. And that's it. That's how you do it, man. There's the chickens are out there. Ow, something bit me. Chickens are out there. I'm gonna go buy the chickens real quick. See if they run away again. I'll act like I'm feeding them. They like that. So you do this here. Woo, here chickies. Here chicks. And then they pretend that you're feeding them. And then here chicks. There they are. That's the brew right there. The Nichols egg laying machines is what they are. They got some jasmine here on the fence line. The chickens like the jasmine. They like hiding in there. Look how big they are. Woohoo! There they go. All right, thanks for watching Horsley Retirement Adventures. Today was an adventure. I might try to get the whirlpool working. I'm not sure yet. Pull out.